Hello, this is JT Regulator again of Inglorious Bulldogs. Have another video for you. It's going to be 2-star battles in Alliance Wars. And I probably should say that this will be the last time that I'm going to be doing an Alliance War with 2-star heroes along with the field aid. I've finally gotten my stronghold to level 20, so I'm starting to get a lot more 3 and 4-star heroes to replace the 2 stars, so I'm going to need the space. And then just a reminder, it's always important that you're involved in an alliance with this game because of the Alliance Wars and also the Titan battles. And these two parts of the alliance can help you gain essential items so that you can progress in the game. And also, just great being a part of an alliance and interacting with your fellow alliance members. I really enjoy being a part of the Inglorious Bulldogs. And yeah, I just found it's a great group of people that are really helpful. So again, all right, so today, in today's Alliance War, we are going to be fighting an enemy that's going to have the field aid bonus. So it may require that at some point that I run, and the reason why you do that is because if my enemy heals, I can end up having 0 points come out of my attack. So let's go and again look for somebody to attack, and I'm trying to avoid teams that have healers again so that I don't have trouble. Looks like we've got some Jean-Francois tanks, which may not be a bad one to go after. It may have me get killed pretty quickly. Alright, so let's look at this one. Let me try this one. So it looks like Evelyn, or she is more of a sniper, doesn't heal. And then on this one, it just likes what they're doing is counterattacking, which we probably can handle. Sonya is more of a sniper. Bold Tusk is a healer, and so is Regard. And we're going to try to avoid sending tiles up to the sides and focus on the middle. Alright, so we've got Cyprian. I think with Cyprian, I'm going to try to bring as many yellow 2s as possible. And seeing how most of you probably have Bane, I'm going to put that 3-star hero in. Let's see my other 2 stars. I've got Nash, Shad-G, which is a healer. And then we may go with some purples here. I like Layla when I was first starting this game because she's a sniper. And then let's just put up Regard that I haven't done anything with yet. So he's going to be more like a 2-star hero. All right, so here we go. Again, we got a bad board because there are no yellows, very few, and very few purple. So this is considered a bad board. So what I'm going to try to do, see what we can do to make it a lot better by clearing out these unwanted tiles. And luckily we're getting some yellows to come in. Again, I'm watching that field aid bar at the top, because once that gets ready to go off, then I'm going to have a lot of problems. And again, boy, this is just not a good board. Still, again, like hardly any yellows. Very few purples coming in. Looks like we can make a purple diamond, which is good. But I may lose all mine with this counterattack that keeps going off. All right. Field 8, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to send off Nash's special, and then I'm going to run. Because they're going to get healed, I'm going to lose all my points if I don't. So here goes Nash. And then I'm running. So that was a good example when you have field aid, or if you just have a healer that's going to go off, because if they go off, I would have probably lost that 12 points. So it's probably the best example that I can give you when you're using these lower level 2-star heroes in Alliance War, that you're probably going to have to make that decision at some point to run. Now, if I would have been able to take out Cyprian at the start, and I would have had better tiles, if I would have taken Cyprian out, I would have not ran at that point. I would have waited till that field aid bar filled up again and then ran at that point. All right, so I hope you enjoy these videos and that they're helping you out. Thanks for watching.